Did you know that over 2 billion people use WhatsApp? Yet many forget to back up their chats. Let's dive into why backing up your WhatsApp is crucial. In this video, you'll learn how to back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive and why it is essential for preserving your conversations. Many users face the risk of losing important messages and media when switching phones or due to app malfunctions. This video addresses that challenge. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of backing up your WhatsApp to Google Drive, including tips for ensuring a smooth backup. The moment you realize that backing up your WhatsApp is not just a one-time task, but an ongoing necessity for your digital life. Without any further ado, let's look at how do you get to doing this backing up of your WhatsApp messages into the Google Drive. Okay, first of all, you go to your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. You tap on the WhatsApp app. When you are here, you're going to go to the top right where there are 3 dots that are located. Tap on those 3 dots. Okay, when you are here, you're going to go straight to the last menu there, which is appearing here. You're going to go to setting, tap on settings. Okay, when you are on setting, remember you want to back up your chats. Okay, you click on chats, tap on chats. Here you are on the chats. Then scroll, then go for the menu that says chat backup. Okay, tap on it. Right, it's going to bring you to this next menu here. You can see there it is written backup. Okay, so basically here, this is where you're going to back up all the conversations that you have had on this particular mobile, so that whenever you change your mobile, you can be able to reload all the conversations that you have had in that particular mobile to the new phone. Okay, so that is the reason for ensuring that you back up your conversations from WhatsApp. You take that to the Google Drive so that you can be able to access that for future purposes, or if something else happens to your device whereby you have your messages no longer appearing, but if you know that you have backed up your data in terms of the WhatsApp messages, you will be able to access that. So the next thing that you do when you're here is to go straight to where it says backup. Okay, you tap on that. As you can see, it has written that backing up messages. So this simply means that now the system has started to back up all the information in terms of the conversations that are in your WhatsApp are being backed up to the Google Drive so that they are saved there. So it's gonna count, as you can see, until it reaches 100%. So meaning that as soon as it reaches the 100% mark, that would mean that the process of backing up the conversations shall have been concluded. As you can see here at the bottom, there is also this other menu that says include videos. So you can tap here in terms of if you want also the videos that are on your device in terms of WhatsApp should be backed up into or to your Google Drive. So you're gonna tap that and make it on. So basically that is how you do that. That is the process of how to back up your WhatsApp to Google Drive to make sure that the conversations that you have there, they don't get misplaced or lost. Thank you so much. That is all about this particular video. So If you happen to find this particular video helpful, consider watching my other videos on WhatsApp tips, and drop a comment below and share all these experiences that you have had in terms of picking up your WhatsApp is concerned. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then click on the notification bell so that whenever we release new videos in future, you can be able to be notified about those videos. Thank you so much. Bye.